Hi traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the alpha trend indicator for MT4 and MT5. Okay, so whether you are using the MT4 platform or the MT5 platform, just understand how to use the indicator, although I'm going to be explaining it with the MT4 platform. Okay, the link to the uh, website, the Forex Geek website where you can download the indicator is in the description. All right, so just go to the description and download the indicator. Then you come to your navigator after you must have added the indicator file to your indicators folder. Okay, come to your navigator and refresh. Now, after you've done that, just look for the alpha trend indicator. Okay, drag and drop. Ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. And then this is the input. This is where you have your customizable settings. You can see quite a lot of them. All right, you can modify the settings according to your taste, whether it's the period, the length, the multiplier, applied price, the colors and all of that, right? Modify according to your taste. Now you will notice that this indicator is a trend following indicator. Okay, it is built to identify market direction and help you to confirm trends, all right, and find buy and sell opportunities. The indicator gives you signals, precise buy and sell signals via the arrows. As you can see, when you get a green arrow, it's a buy signal. When you get a red arrow, it's a sell signal. Now, in addition to that, you can see that the indicator line also changes color. When the indicator line is green, it shows bullish momentum confirmed by this you know green area, okay, showing that the bullish momentum is still prevailing. And then when the indicator line turns red, it shows that there is a shift in momentum to bearish, confirmed by this supported by the red area as well, okay, showing you that there is bearish momentum prevailing. Okay, so all you have to do is watch out for the arrows and then ensure that you have the indicator line change color to the corresponding trend direction, and then ensure that the area is also in support of the trend direction. So you need to look for a green arrow, green colored line, and the green area, okay, for you to get or like a green space for you to get confirmation for a buy signal. On the other hand, you have to watch out for a red arrow, red line, and then this red space, okay, all right, for you to confirm that bearish momentum is at play. All right, so that is it for this indicator, guys. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly do that so that you do not miss out on more valuable insights on trading indicators and a whole lot more information about the forex market. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.